Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for clicking on this YouTube video. If you have not seen my previous video, please go check that out right now. But the hair I'm using today is from Modernshowhair. The package it came in wasn't anything fancy. It did not come with an elastic band or a wig cap, just to keep that in mind while you're ordering the hair and stuff. This is 24 inches, 150 density. It is Brazilian. And I'm just going to start showing you guys what I'm doing so far in the video. As you see in the beginning, I'm just cutting off the ear tabs to adjust the wig comfortably on my hairline. And then I'm just going to go and cut different parts of the lace. So when I use the Got2b glue, it'll be easier to glue it down in parts rather than all at once. Alright, now that I'm done with the blow drying, I'm going to comb out all the extra dried up glue. Then go with a pair of scissors and start cutting the lace off my hairline section by section. Notice how I'm using zigzag motions on my hairline just to give it that natural look. Even if your hairline is perfectly straight, just do that zigzag motion and just make the lace blend in with your skin a lot better than a straight blunt cut. Alright, so y'all, there are going to be some spots where the lace does not lay down. Just go in with some scissors and cut it off and wrap it up with a scarf so that way it melts better into your skin. I'm not a specialist at baby hairs or nothing. I'm just doing the best I can. If you're gonna have to do it, then congrats. But just here's a few more seconds of me struggling. Okay, so now you just go in with the concealer or foundation, anything that matches very close to your skin tone. I blend it all over the lace cap if I don't go in and bleach my knots. Now I'm just going to go in with my flat iron. I could not find my hot comb at the time, so I'm just going to go in and try to flatten the top of the wig with the flat iron instead. y'all, don't forget to click that notification bell so you can see any video that I upload next. Check out my social media and my previous YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching.